出国那个 Schlemm 中午农山起码。
Kan long kasin ka baning kong ye ki langot kinong kingling ka jila kata Elizabeth Vincent Batskem nong bang bat upensingan kurba ki bala sajid ban mi kaman ye ri India ha ka jingya kop kingling ka ban long shabar jo ka ri ka Elizabeth Vincent ka ban Ribhoi district kala yo ban rung sha ka ICF World Cup ka ban long ha nong ba Prague jong ka Czech Republic ka ban long ha bunai jilio jong snem arajar arpusao kinong job hagani gijing Yakob haga World Cup kinyo alat banya shimbenta sahaga Paris Olympic arajar arpusao kumakalong menta ke Elizabeth Batskem bat punshingan kila syajid bandon benta bat ke kinho nyele kai ke ri ke bandaj ya shimbenta haga International Canoe Slalom Tournament ke banlong ha Russia ha unailor menta snem ke Elizabeth ke badang arpu hundre snem karata ke balayo ban rung ke benta ke World Cup kelas sedang ni gajing kilan met hapok gajing hikai coach jongka lembat ukpa Ian Vincent hajan kasnong tham kani ganong ilai kai kala yo ban mi khamat ye gajilla hagi babon gajing Yakob ki bakin top ye National Games Malabar River Festival bat katawang chu Tides Festival ka baha Arunachal Pradesh ubat scam nong ba ubadang khat prasnem karta baru pensingan kurba badang khat khandai snem karata kira yo ban shimbenta haga Khelo India Games arajar arpuar ubat scam ubana kasnong tham ubala syahikai uba Ian Vincent ulalong tang kumunong bela henry udon pat jing terang ban penurlong jing angnod hakikam ya lekai kadba upensingan ubana labarwa ula sedang ban kingling nado ba udang khna hapo gajing ajing hikai coach uba Ian Vincent baru layo ban Korea kata kemar rupa haka Khelo India Games arajar arpuar ulayo ru ya kalat ban mi khmat ya gajalla haka Malabar River Festival bada gajing Yakob kabalalong ha Madhya Pradesh nakalyang menteri rang ba gajalla Konrad Sangma lalai ai khublai kit bok kit rubyang yigi laingut ki khna samla kibare ki nongking ling nakasnong tham ka Ribhoi district haka jingelang kabaling kot le don lang Dr. Wilbur Manar Presiden ke MCA Zorba lalu ubalang udkhot ke MCA lembar coach uba Ian Vincent
order to be able to achieve that goal of not just participating in the Olympics but actually winning a medal. So this kind of a program and investment is already being done by us. 8 lakh people of the state are going to be looking up to you to qualify on that. So I know it's a great pressure, but if you can do it, it'll be the most amazing moment for us, and it'll be a huge motivation to all of these youngsters out here.